My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the extension called Canvas tab. The trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as some adware. If installed, this extension starts displaying the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements not associated with the sites that you actually visit. Also, this extension operates as a browser hijacker because it changes the default search engine without your permission. For instance, you may prefer to get the results by Google, but with this Canvas tab extension installed, when you submit some search queries, you get the results by some other search engines not chosen by you initially. So to get rid of this extension, this is what you should do. Access the menu, More Tools, Extensions. When you find this extension, disable and remove it. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, I do recommend that you examine it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.